motherfucker! Fucking hate the city. Can't wait to fucking move out of it. I hate this UPS store. It's always so fucking busy. Especially after you guys did all this shit. There's never any fucking parking. Goody, somebody wrecked their shit at a fucking light. And you know you're supposed to move it if you can, right? Like, you guys can't like push that a little? No, I'm just gonna block a lane and a half of traffic. The other car, though, he went into the parking lot that is right next to it. But I can't move my car. Stupid fucking kid. Doesn't know how to follow traffic lights. I'm on an electric scooter, so I can just run through a red light and get hit or not. It don't matter. Probably wasn't actually a kid. It looked like he was a...
Expired 4/19 of 21. People are gonna run that fucking light. And what the fuck is this thing doing here? Bro, the sign says no left turn. No left turn. Expired paper plate 7/26 of 21. Holy shit, the cops fucking doing a traffic stop? No, what? What? A traffic stop? Shit. Can we go sometime today? That light's been green for hellas. Expired paper plate 02/28 of 21, and no signal from the dickhead in front of me. $10.50. Oh, almost. I was hoping. What the fuck? Crashed, wrecked, sitting on cinder blocks. Alright, whatever. Why are you hitting the brakes? The light is green and you're already going like under the speed limit. Oh my god, he's doing it again. Slide right on by. What the fuck are you doing? Nice signal, Dick Munch.